Hi, I'm Emma. SpreadsheetWeb is where Excel meets web apps. Here's what that means. I have an engineering calculator built in Excel. It has complex formulas, interconnected inputs, calculated outputs. It works, but it's stuck on a desktop. Let's change that. Log into SpreadsheetWeb Hub, upload your file. Hit Create, select Application, and choose Try It. The system does the rest. It reads your formulas, named ranges, and structure automatically. Cells with blue borders are controls. These are your inputs and outputs, and they typically come with labels. The cells with green borders to the left of each control represent those labels. You may also see cells with green borders that are not tied to any control. These are individual labels such as titles, headers, comments, or notes. Even images and charts are detected. If anything is missed, you can easily fix it. For example, here the system missed 2 header cells. I'll select them and assign them as labels. Once assigned, they will appear with a green border and a label icon. Everything outside the selected areas still runs in the background. The logic stays intact. It just doesn't clutter the interface. When it looks right, hit publish. You'll be asked if you want to capture data. Say yes. It lets you track submissions and lets users return to update them. Useful for anything with a workflow or heavy data entry. Pick your color scheme, font size, skin. Then your app is live. A unique link, share it, embed it, done. Users interact with the inputs. Formulas update instantly. Your Excel file, your formulas, your data, fully protected, never exposed. A complex Excel model turned into a scalable web application. No code, just a few clicks. That's SpreadsheetWeb, where Excel meets web apps.